This is the ultimate DIY mechanical Mantis insect by Metalcator. It has an incredible 1,200 pieces. The finished product should weigh around 800 grams. It takes around 16 to 20 hours to assemble, and it's a medium difficulty level. And yes, it does also have lights which work on magnets. And let's see what is in this kit before we get to the assembly. We have got our parts list, the correct parts list for board D. We have our instructions and they are pretty thick. Let's see how many pages have we got. We have got over 60 pages. We have got some plastic parts, so for the wings, the head, and I'm sure for the legs and the back as well. We have got a lot of nuts and screws, and I can see lights right in here as well. We have also got some tools, quite a few tools to be honest. So we have got a couple of screwdrivers, we got a couple of spanners, different sizes, same as the screwdrivers, and we have also got quite a few Allen keys. We have also got tweezers, and here is all our big parts. Look at this piece. This looks amazing, very shiny and neat looking. Here we have some metal parts, some smaller ones at the top, and the bigger ones will be at the bottom here. So as we can see, these parts aren't that huge, apart from these ones, they're pretty big, but the rest of them are quite on the smaller size, which is perfectly fine, because as soon as we're going to start putting everything together, everything's going to get much bigger. And now, let's go and see if it takes 16 to 20 hours to put this whole thing together. And don't forget, you can go and check out this incredible Mantis and other brilliant metal models on Metalcator website. I've got a link in the description and the comments section, and don't forget to use my promo code Martins to get 12% off on everything. And please leave a like below, and let's begin. And just take a look at this Mantis. It is absolutely huge and it looks absolutely awesome. And there are so many moving parts. You can move the claws, both of them. You can move the head, you can move the legs, you can move the tail, you can move the wings. It is absolutely brilliant. And you can also move the body up and down. And of course it does come with 4 lights, and I've got Metal Keytor Magic Wand right here, and we're going to activate them in just a second. Just a little bit about the skit. It was super satisfying to assemble. Just watching everything come together is absolutely brilliant. The instructions were very easy to follow. Obviously it takes quite a few hours to assemble, but it's brilliant because it keeps you busy for hours. And it took me around just over 12 hours to assemble, so that is a really good speed, I would say. And just to let you know, it does have a lot of super tiny screws, so you have to be very careful, but my god, what an absolutely incredible model. And don't forget, you can go and check out this Mantis on Metal Keytor website. I've got a link in description and comment section, and don't forget to use my promo code to save some money on their metal models. And if you fancy, of course, you can add this magic wand to your basket as well, and you can use this on their Fox as well because it has lights just like this Mantis. And let's now go ahead and activate all of the lights. There we go. I'm going to make them all flash. And I find it easier when I pop this magic wand underneath its head instead of going on top of the head. There we go. All of the lights activated. Imagine this just sitting on your shelf. Oh my god, that is absolutely awesome. It is so huge, and the weight is absolutely brilliant, and the green colours all over the place just make you look absolutely awesome. Loved this kit. And I so hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you leave a like down below. That would be much appreciated. And subscribe for more videos like this one. And yeah, don't forget to go and check out their amazing metal models. And thanks so much for watching, everybody. I shall see you all next time. Bye for now.